Yo.
That shit was really wrong.
Yeah, I be grinding for Jesus like wait, be chasing the trap, King Yaga la Zaga. Finna pull up in your hood just cause I got power, King Yaga la Plaga. Push them respect all the niggas that came for the churches and make the mistakes. Bitch, you do get what I'm saying.
Hey.
Bitch, you do get what I'm saying.
Okay, they want the sauce, we gave them the sauce, but they couldn't catch up with me and my boys. Half a bupilo, my banas kalala, my niggas working on scams and some frauds. Shala will lead it, she must worry. Once I made money, we'll never divorce. Phone call away, dilly, soon as I drop, I'm sliding like Crocs. Bravo, look at these niggas gon' jump with the wave. The game is lit, everybody engaging. We yapping the map, guess who's to be blamed? Getting the currency, that's where my focus is at.
That's real.
Don't tell me about none, velu valum lom if it ain't but the jail.
Yeah, I be grinding for Jesus like wait, be chasing the trap, King Yaga la Zaga. Finna pull up in your hood just cause I got power, King Yaga la Plaga. Push them respect all the niggas that came for them churches and make the mistakes. Bitch, you do get what I'm saying. Bitch, you do get what I'm saying. Grinding for Jesus like wait, be chasing the trap, King Yaga la Zaga. Finna pull up in your hood just cause I got power, King Yaga la Plaga. Push them respect all the niggas that came for the churches and make the mistakes. Bitch, you do get what I'm saying. Bitch, you do get what I'm saying. Run it up, cause then I go fly, they go talk to me nice. Yeah, we fly like a jet, we live in the corners, we heading in space, my nigga. They better be watching me, I'm a messy bully nigga, don't make shit the ups. This shit is a danger, take it like bitches that deal about fucking the cops. Hey, how that's cap when they say you better invest, they bluffing. Hey, how that's fakes, you better start switching and check out the options. Cause you gon' go broken like bitches as soon as you leaving your shit on them captions. Yeah, I came for the trenches, put some respect on my name please. Nigga be breaking records like the masterpiece. Teban Bachongu Babazo team. No cap, she started by hitting me in the water, bro. She and I be proud of me. It's like a bang, bros, and no secrets. These niggas are forcing and cut for it. They be calling it trap, I call it cap. That's why I got it, then I rap on it. Yeah, I be grinding for Jesus like wait, be chasing the trap, King Yaga la Zaga. Finna pull up in your hood just cause I got power, King Yaga la Plaga. Push some respect all the niggas that came for the churches and make the mistakes. Bitch, you do get what I'm saying. Bitch, you do get what I'm saying.